Caitlin Wilson. I am the group editor of Mother Earth News and Grit magazine, and today I am talking about the ways that I started seeds for my vegetable and flower gardens this year. As a gardener, I tend to grow a small number of vegetables that I know I'll eat and a large number of flowers because I always enjoy flowers. One of the plants that I particularly like to have around is moonflower vine, which is Ipomoea alba, not Datura, which is also sometimes referred to as moonflower. Moonflower seeds need to be soaked overnight to help break the seed coat so they'll emerge more quickly. And this year I decided to try planting them in toilet paper tubes I had saved because the plants don't like their roots disturbed, and this way I should be able to either plant the tubes directly in the ground or very delicately peel the tubes away and leave the soil relatively undisturbed, which should make the transplanting process less traumatic for the plants. You can also see in the foreground I have a number of small pots that I've gathered from nurseries over the years. I'll be using those to grow hyacinth beans and butterfly peas and a wide variety of tomatoes. Off to the right, you can see a pair of egg cartons. I'm using those to start peppers because they prefer warmer soil temperatures to germinate, so the smaller soil volume will let the temperature rise more quickly in the windowsill. Within about a week, I started to have hyacinth beans emerge, and some of the tomatoes came up quite quickly as well. As you can see, the beans got large very quickly. The peppers, as they emerged, were very, very tiny, and I had to be very careful not to flatten them when I watered. I have a grow light that I use to supplement on cloudy days, and because I start seeds in about March when the days are still really too short for a lot of these tropical plants. As you can see, the tomatoes took off very quickly, and I discovered that a packet of mystery seeds was cypress vine, which hummingbirds enjoy. I may have too many cypress vines for my yard. This is how the seedlings stand now. Very soon I will need to separate the tomatoes and repot them in larger pots before transplanting them out when the weather warms up a little more. And the peppers are just about ready to be cut apart and have their cells placed in larger pots as well. The hyacinth bean is going to have to accept colder temperatures because I very much need it outside on a trellis somewhere. I hope you found these tips useful. If it's still seed starting time where you are, you might be able to make use of them this year. And if not, file them away for next year. Start saving egg cartons now. As before, I will be hanging around in the comments for about an hour to answer questions and have discussions, and I would love to see you there.